This is the CAP Barbell Hex Dumbbell Set, and on paper, it looks like the budget-friendly foundation for your home gym dreams. But after putting it through weeks of curls, squats, and presses, there's more to the story than the marketing copy lets on. Stick around, because I'm about to tell you what they don't always warn you about. CAP Barbell Hex Dumbbell Set Product Overview. So, what are we looking at? The CAP Barbell Hex Dumbbell Set is a lineup of fixed-weight dumbbells made by CAP Barbell, a brand known for affordable, entry-level gym gear. These dumbbells have been around for years, though CAP periodically adjusts finishes: cast iron, enamel, rubber-coated, etc. The set is generally aimed at beginners or home gym owners who want basic, no-frills weights without dropping hundreds of dollars on premium gear. The main selling point: it covers a lot of ground, from light weights for beginners to heavier weights for strength training, at a relatively low cost, making it ideal for anyone setting up a budget-conscious home gym. CAP Barbell Hex Dumbbell Set Performance. Alright, specs are one thing, but how do they actually feel under load? I've used these dumbbells for everything from goblet squats and shoulder presses to higher rep curls and lunges. The weight feels well-balanced and stable. There's no weird wobble or shifting, even when you go for heavier sets. That makes things feel safer, especially when you're training alone at home. Switching between weights is simple, assuming you bought multiple pairs rather than just a single dumbbell. The Hex design means you don't have to worry about them rolling away during supersets or between exercises, a feature that's much more convenient than you'd expect until you no longer have to chase your weights around the floor. But here's the real-world caveat. If you plan on doing drop sets or heavy ambient lifts where dumbbells hit the floor repeatedly, you might want to think twice. In one independent test, repeated drop tests didn't crack the dumbbells, but testers cautioned that the cast iron construction isn't built to absorb frequent high-impact hits. Features and tech. Let's dig into what stands out. Hexagonal head design. The six-sided head prevents rolling, so you can set the dumbbells down anywhere without fear of them rolling off an uneven floor. This is particularly handy for floor exercises, circuit training, or just organizing a tighter workout space. Wide weight range. CAP offers a broad selection, from light weights, 5 pounds, up through 100 to 120 pounds on some individual dumbbells. That makes this set useful whether you're just starting out with rehab or small tonnage work, or you're more advanced in chasing strength gains. Ergonomic knurled handles. The handles have a textured grip that gives a secure, non-slip feel even if your hands get sweaty mid-set. That means fewer grip slips and a more confident lift, especially when you're doing higher rep sets or heavier lifts. Design and build. There's something hardy and old school about these dumbbells. The cast iron gives them a solid, heavy feel. You pick one up and you know it means business. The hex head shape is smart, practical, and nails what a budget dumbbell set should be: functional and dependable. The finish, whether it's enamel or rubber, often feels gym floor rugged more than sleek. Handles are medium-depth knurlings, so there's a secure grip without brutal abrasiveness. On heavier weights, they feel balanced and stable. On coated versions, the rubber or enamel helps protect both the weights and your flooring, although some users do report that the coating can chip if the dumbbells are dropped repeatedly, so they're more suited for controlled lifting than throw-and-drop routines. Pros. Great value for the money. You're getting functional, reliable weights without overspending. Wide weight range covers everything from rehab or light workouts to serious strength training. Hex design prevents rolling, more stable and safer, especially for floor work. Cons. Cast iron models can be noisy and prone to rust. Coatings may chip if dropped harshly. Quality control is a bit hit or miss. Some report paint chips or minor imperfections. Final verdict. Look, if you're just building a home gym or you're getting started with resistance training, the CAP Barbell Hex Dumbbell Set is a fantastic bang for your buck. For beginners, intermediate lifters, or anyone doing routine full-body workouts, curls, presses, lunges, this set gives you everything you need without breaking the bank. If you're more advanced, chasing heavy lifts, drop sets, or heavy-duty garage-style workouts, you might eventually outgrow this. For that crowd, a premium brand with higher tensile steel or urethane-coated heads might be worth a look, but for most Americans building a first, second, or basement home gym, this set is hard to beat. So yeah, if you want a straightforward, no-nonsense, effective set of dumbbells for strength, accessories, or basic conditioning, Cap Barbell Dumbbells get the job done.